Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix unavailable for subscription error in Google Play Store. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and let's say that I'm going to subscribe to this application, but I have error which says unavailable for subscription. Okay, let me show you how we can fix this error on our Android mobile phone, guys. Wait, I'm going to open up my InShot and I'm going to try to subscribe to this application. Okay, and here we go. If you want to fix the unavailable for subscription error, you need to make sure that you have selected payment methods. As you can see here, I have choose Shopee Pay. This is my e-wallet and I'm going to use this method to pay to the subscription. Okay, as you can see guys, that here we have a lot of options and you can choose your e-wallet or you can choose your SIM card provider. I have two SIM cards here, so I can choose one of them, or you can add credit card or debit card. Okay, you just need to choose the best payment method for you guys. Okay, and make sure that your balance is enough to pay the bill. Okay, I'm going to try to use this one. Okay, and you can add more than one payment methods if you want. Okay, now I only add one payment method. If you want to add another payment method, you can select this one like this. Okay, and I'm just going to choose this one and we can click on subscribe, and we need to verify the purchase. Okay, and after you have selected the method, the payment method, and the payment method has been verified, you will be able to subscribe it. But here I have error because my account balance is not enough. So go to your e-wallet or your SIM card to make sure that your balance is enough and it can cover your payments. Okay. And okay guys, that's all the methods to fix unavailable for subscription error in Google Play Store. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!